Before you try to test or compute Pearson's linear correlation coefficient, or even build a linear regression model using a predictor variable for predicting the response variable, it is very important that you make a scatter plot first to see whether the correlation has a linear pattern or not. If the correlation pattern is not linear, like what you see in this slide, you have a trend going this way or a trend going like this way, bending up or bending downward in this pattern. Usually, if you apply the natural log to the predictor variable, it'll help you to linearize the relation. So this video will show you how to make that transformation using SPSS. In this example data, I have variables x and y. If I quickly make a scatter plot for these two variables, y for y, x is x for x, and I see a pattern that is definitely nonlinear. So if you have a pattern like this, the log transformation will help in linearize the relation. How do we do that? To do that, you click Transform Compute Variable, and you want to transform the x variable using natural log function. So I'm going to call the result lnx, and it will be from applying the ln natural log function. You type open parenthesis and enter this. Just double click it or click it and click the arrow key, and then click close parenthesis. And if you click OK, SPSS will create a new column, new variable called lnx, and that's log transformation of x variable. Now after you've done that, you can click scatter plot and redraw the scatter plot using the natural log of x. Click OK. You see that relationship is more linear. So after you've done your transformation, you can examine the correlation again. Just click on Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate. You can examine the correlation for all these variable pair by pairs. You'll realize that the Pearson's correlation between y and log x is 0.832, but y and x is only 0.662. So of course, the log of x has much stronger linear correlation with y. So using log of x for predicting y will give you a better result than using the x itself for prediction. So if you really want to do the prediction using log of x, so what you do is you click Analyze, Regression, Linear, and predicting y using log of x, and you will be able to build a regression model. So here is the regression coefficient. And if you wish to do prediction, let's say you want to predict y at x in 1000 level. If that's the case, you have to do a transformation, right? Use a transform value to do a prediction. So what you do is go through the transformation again. So you got the transformed value. Then you click Analyze, Regression, Linear, and then you ask for saving. So if you want to save the prediction interval for mean or for individual, check those boxes and then click Continue, and then click OK. You will get the results for the prediction, either for average or for individual case. Again, the original value for x was 1000. You first transform into log x, and then use that to build a model and use that for doing prediction.